In this video, we're going to talk about how to use a protractor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the vertex of the angle lined up with this part of the protractor right here. And I'm going to line this side of the angle up with the zero right here. And then, because this side of the angle is not long enough to extend out to here so that I can read the number, I'm going to use a note card to extend that side. And this particular protractor measures angles in ½ degrees. And you see that when the note card lines up with two of these big marks past the 50. So the measure of this angle is 52 degrees. Now I could have also chosen to line the vertex up with this part of the protractor and the zero up and line this side up with this zero instead. And since I lined this side up with this zero, then this time I'm going to look at the inside numbers. And you see that this side lines up with two of these big marks past the 50 degrees. So again, the measure of this angle is 52 degrees. And now I'm going to measure this other angle over here with a different protractor just to show you how different protractors work. And for this particular protractor, I need to line the vertex up with the center of the hole right here. And for this particular demonstration, I'm going to line it up with the zero on the outside. And then again, I will use the note card to extend the other side. Since I lined up this side with the zero on the outside, then I'm going to look at the outside numbers. And this side here, again, lines up with two marks past the 50 degrees. And then similarly, I could line this side up with the inside zero. I still need to line the vertex up with the center of the hole right here. And then this mark here corresponds to the 50 degrees, and then two marks past that is 52. The measure of this angle is also 52 degrees. And notice that the lengths of the sides do not matter. What we're measuring is how wide is this opening here. Notice that it was 52 degrees for both angles. Now let's talk about how we can use a protractor to draw an angle with a particular measure. In this example, I will be drawing an angle with a measure of 136 degrees. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my initial side. And then I'm going to take the middle of the hole here and line it up with the point that will become the vertex. And I'm also going to line up the zero with this side. And then since I'm using the zero that is on the inside here, then I'm going to use the numbers that are on the inside. I'm going to come around and I'm going to find 136 degrees, which is 6 marks past the 130. That's right here. And then I just draw my other side.